Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to select who can contact you on Snapchat. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap on the face emoji or avatar from the top left corner. Then tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Swipe up to go down. Under Privacy Control, tap on Contact Me. By default your friends and contacts can contact you directly with snaps, chats, etc. If you want that only your friends can contact you, tap on Friends. From the confirmation window, tap OK. That's it. From now on, your contacts will no longer be able to show up in your chat tab. So in this way, you can select who can contact you on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.